Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital form of currency that's taking the world by storm. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a decentralized form of currency that uses complex algorithms to secure and verify transactions. This technology, called blockchain, allows for a secure and transparent way of tracking transactions without the need for a central authority. With the help of mobile apps and online wallets, using cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly easy and convenient. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, but many see it as a promising investment opportunity. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before investing in any cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, a revolutionary new way of conducting transactions and a potential investment opportunity. But always be careful and do your own research before investing.